Welcome to Tech for Everyone. In this video, let's see how to install Xampp. Go to any browser and search for Xampp. Now click on the Xampp installer from the apachefriends.org website. You can see Xampp for Windows, Linux, and OS X. Click on Xampp for the Windows option. And you can see your download has started. Wait a couple of minutes until the download is done. Now click on the download to start the installation process. Click Yes on the administrator permission. And minimize the browser window. Click OK on the warning message to access the folder permission. As you can see the Xampp setup on your screen, click Next to continue. There are multiple boxes checked for installation. You can leave it as default and click Next. Then the default language option is English. You can change if you'd like to. And click Next. Click Next again to start the setup. You can notice the welcome message opens up in your default browser. You can minimize and continue the process. By clicking Next, you can see the setup has now started the installation process. As the process will take few minutes to complete. You can pause the video and subscribe to the channel for more such useful videos. Once the installation is complete, you can see the checked box that says, "Do you want to start the control panel?" Leave it checked and click on the Finish button. You can see the Xampp control panel opens up. Let's check whether the servers are starting without any problem. Click on Start. When everything starts without any problem, you can now go to your default web browser. Open a new tab in your browser. And type in localhost and click Enter. If you see the welcome message, you have successfully installed Xampp. If you want to run your first PHP program on your Xampp server, click the link in the description. If you found the video useful, please like and subscribe. You can leave all your queries in the comments section. Thank you.